Hello guys, my name is Ignore Rose. I'm going to show you how to make a simple coffee in my way. Let's get started. First take a pan. Then pour milk. Then turn on the gas to a low medium heat. Now let it boil. Now when the milk is boiling, add a half teaspoon of coffee powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of white or brown sugar. When it's boiling, turn off the gas. Now let it boil. Take a strainer and a cup. Pour the coffee into the strainer. Now you remove the strainer. Take a coffee foamer. Start mixing. Now pour the coffee. There we have a coffee. If you want, you can add toppings like cinnamon. Now enjoy with snack. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and also ring the bell.